Third time's a charm, they say. As you remember, the very first front lip that I had was this M Performance replica with splitters. I did that over the winter, and it was awesome. It even plowed some snow. It was great. The fitment was 8 out of 10. Next, I kind of got tired of it, and I went with a CS lip replica, which I really liked. But that only lasted about 2 weeks. As you also recall, this is what happened. So, third time's a charm. This time around, I decided to switch things up a little bit and go with something that's sturdier, bolts better, fits better, actually fits 100%. And is not as prone to cracking as carbon fiber is. I kind of gave it away now. So without any further ado, this is my new front end. You know what, as I'm taking these photos, I had an idea. I don't think carbon fiber up here matches with non-carbon fiber up here. So this is what we're going to do. Alright, these are up. I think we're going to sell them. Alright, so let's do this one more time. This is the new front end of my BMW M3. So this is my new lightweight lip. And it's actually made by a company that calls it the lightweight lip. You can find a bunch of vendors online that sell these things. But the beauty of this is it's made out of this thick plastic that's kind of shiny or semi-gloss up top, sort of matte up front, and it's not gonna crack very easily. So the way it works is it attaches from the bottom of the bumper using nuts and bolts. So what you have to do is you have to drill a hole, actually drill a bunch of holes in your bumper, through which you put these nuts and bolts, and it's as simple as that. The way you actually, first thing you do is you hang it up using these 4 mounting points, the OEM mounting points. You hang it up from there, then you drill your template, take it off, drill the holes all the way through. This center piece has this metal pieces that kind of screw into the bumper, and as they screw in, they expand, so they create a nut. So you can put a bolt from the bottom, and it screws into that nut that's at the bottom of the bumper. Very actually clever idea. But once you get it all fit, and it fits really well, I want to say it fits 100%. There's no way this thing could fit better. So once you get it fit, it's really an amazing lip. And look at it, look at me tugging on it. This is how strong it is. So if you do hit something on the highway, the chances are it's not gonna get damaged. And as a matter of fact, the very first day of me driving with this lip, I was going through toll gates and I hit something, a piece of metal, and there is a little chunk here that's somewhere that I scraped it, but the lip survived. If it was a carbon fiber lip, I'm sure it would have been cracked. And I'm really impressed with the quality of this front lip. The way it fits, as I said, is 100%. I don't think it can fit any better. It looks great, and it kind of gives the car a sort of a subtle yet aggressive look. It's not an aggressive carbon fiber front lip. It's actually a functional lip that you can abuse. And actually, what I like about it is it continues with the side skirts. So it looks like it flows with the side skirts. And after I'm done with my diffuser, which is in the works, coming up, then I think I'm gonna have a nice flowing look front to back. So on that note, I want to thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.